Hi everyone, here we've got HTC Desire 21 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable night light or eye comfort mode. So firstly we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it, and here we have to tap on the display. As you can see, on the third position we've got night light, so let's tap on it, and here in order to check how it actually looks like we have to tap on this big button, turn on now. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen in a dim light. What's more, you can change the intensity of that feature just by swiping here. So by going to the left you can make it much cooler, and to the right much warmer. So obviously it's up to you which option you'd like to use, which option is more comfortable for you. What's more, we can schedule that feature. Let's tap on this option, and as you can see, we can turn it on at custom time or from sunset to sunrise. So for example, after tapping on the custom time, we can freely choose the start time. So from this clock, choose the start time. I will pick, for example, maybe 11 p.m. Let's tap on OK in order to confirm. As you can see, it immediately appears right here, and the same situation with the time. So let me pick this one. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see, it is also immediately applied. So the screen didn't change into the yellowish color because we are not between the start time and end time, obviously. But let me turn off this option. So actually this is the whole customization of the night light. Let me turn it on. And now I will show you much faster access to this feature. So after the customization, you can turn it on, much faster. Just unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the night light. As you can see, it automatically appears right here. So obviously right now it is turned on. If you'd like to turn it off, just tap on this icon, and as you can see, the screen turns back to its normal state. Obviously you can tap on it again in order to activate. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode in your HTC Desire 21 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.